So we're stranded at the beach. Truck stuck in the sand. Again. They said come and help save us though. Yeah, if you can. Alright. Little push. You ready?
Alright. I'm gonna fall on my face. I'm gonna fall on my face.
Yeah. See, you could have pushed me out. You could have pushed me out. Don't work here. What? Yeah. You have to shovel downhill. Oh. Oh no, we're leaving. Hey! We were actually leaving. Okay.
That's the way you park though, you pull in.
I tried.
Pull in nice and fast.
Okay. Alright. So that's how you pull in. Straight and fast. This is the opposite effect. Hold this. Let's see if I can stick ourselves. Do I have to go back fast? Yes. Watch where you're going though. Don't run over people. Because that's probably what you would do. Hi. Brenda Burns. Yeah, I'm already burnt. I'm just going to call you that. Instead of Brenda Love, it's going to be Brenda Burns. I can feel it. It's only on the front of me this time. It was burnt last time. Oh, it's still recording. Oh, that was your phone that went off. I was like, wow, my phone went off and it stayed on? Holy shit. Da-da-da. It's on the beach. Our second home. It's like our summer house with no house here. That's what we do. We become hippies during the day and then go home to our nice houses at night. Guess it's not too hardcore. Bless you. Ta-da. We also, if I took a shower and this just turned tan, it's not. Ooh, who is this on the radio? It sounds like Orange Avenue. Wow, Daytona and Orange Avenue. That's where they're from. I'm like, what can I say that's super cheesy and gay? I guess that was it. No, I'm recording the outside. There's nothing going on. Ready? I wonder if I can get like a rotating stand. We can break one. Would it get better? Does it ever get better? I don't think it does. At least not for long. You want to rig it up? Actually, hold on.